Children. Today we are learning about temperature. What is a temperature? How we will measure the temperature and how we will convert the temperature. All you can learn in this class. First, temperature. From feeling to fact, a complete guide to understanding, measuring and converting temperature. Okay, children. It's all relative. See, we feel hot and cold. Temperature means we will feel hot or sometimes we will feel cold. But these are subjective sensation. To communicate and build effectively, we need a precise universal language for temperature. See here, example, children, it is saying that it is too cold. Let us drink something hot. But another child is saying, no, yes, good idea. Let us drink hot chocolate. Next, the signs of hot and cold. What is a temperature means? A temperature is measure of the hotness or coldness of any object. It is measured in degrees. See here, cold means the molecules are very closer. They are moving very slowly. They are moving. If hot means the molecules are moving very fastly, they are moving. See here at the microscopic level, you can see that temperature corresponds to the average kinetic energy of the molecules in a substance. Average kinetic energy means cold means the molecules are very slowly they are moving. Means it is a cold. If it is a hot means the molecules are very fastly they are moving, then it is called as a hot temperature. Understood, children? Children's quantifying the sensation, the thermometer. A thermometer is an instrument used to measure a temperature. Most common thermometers works on the principle that a liquid called mercury or alcohol, always they will put mercury only. When mercury expands when it is heated and contracts when it is cooled, causing it rise or fall in a thin glass tube. See here, it is called as a mercury. This is a liquid. Inside they will put the thermometer. Okay, children, understood now? This is the measurement of temperature. Temperature, how we will measure? The thermometer is the instrument used to measure the temperature. This is called as a thermometer. Understood, no, children? Next, the two language of temperature. How they will measure the temperature in different countries. Let us see. Temperature is measured in two different scales. First one is Fahrenheit and Celsius. Celsius is also as known as a centigrade, while most of the world uses Celsius only. But some countries uses Fahrenheit scale is still commonly used in United States or few other countries. See here, Fahrenheit where they are using here, United States they are using Fahrenheit, whereas Celsius they are using all over the world. They are using the Celsius. Two languages of using the temperature. Next, the key benchmarks. How you will say water in when the water will boils. See, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit, you can say that 212 degree Fahrenheit. Normal human body temperature is 37 degree, while in Fahrenheit you can say that 98.6 Fahrenheit. Whereas water freezes at 0 degree Celsius. In Fahrenheit means 32 degree Fahrenheit. They will ask in an exam, water boils at dash, normal human body temperature dash, like that they will ask. Water freezes at, you can come to know that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, normal human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, water freezes at 0 degree. Children. Next, a matter of health in how they are using thermometer. First one is the clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer means in a hospital how they are using clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer is a special purpose instrument designed specifically to measure human body temperature, because it measures very narrow band. See here, very narrow band will be there. It measures very narrow band of temperature. It is highly precise. The clinical thermometer is filled with mercury, which expands and rises in the glass tube to display the correct temperature. When you are going to hospital, no, they will put the mouth or uh, arms. They will put the clinical thermometer. If your very body will be hot, means this mercury will expands. How much temperature in your body is there, it will show very clearly, like that. The typical range of clinical thermometer is from 32 degree to 42 degree Celsius. See here, 32 degree, it will start 42 degree Celsius. In Fahrenheit, you can say that 95 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Understood, children? Next, translating between scales. How we will translate uh, degree Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Let us come to know. Being able to convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit is essential skill for science, travel, and even booking. The next slides will show you how. See, from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit, step by step, I will explain you how we will convert. First, to convert from Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale, you multiply the temperature by 9 by 5 and then add 32 degree. See, it is the formula for converting Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale equal to degree Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. One example I'll show. Let us convert 35 degree to Fahrenheit. 35 degree Celsius. You can convert it into Fahrenheit, means first what you can take, degree Celsius 35 into 9 by 5. Here 5 ones are 5 sevens are 7 nines are 63. 63 will come. 63 plus 32 means 95. Result, 35 degree Celsius equal to 95 degree Fahrenheit. Like that you have to convert Celsius Fahrenheit to Celsius. Understood, children? I will show one more problem. Next, from Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, other direction. See, to convert from the Fahrenheit scale to the Celsius scale, you first subtract 32 from the temperature and then multiply the result by 5 by 9. See here, formula for degree Celsius, Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. Let us convert. One more problem I will show you how to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. 239 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. See, take for example 239 degree Fahrenheit equal to 239 minus 32. First you can subtract Fahrenheit minus 32. You will get 207. Next 207 into 5 by 9. You can multiply and divide, you will get the 115. Result is 239 degree Fahrenheit equal to 115 degree Celsius. Like that you have to do some more problems, children. Next, common temperatures at a glance. See, a cool day. A cool day means how the temperature will be 10 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit means 50 degree Fahrenheit. Conversion it is. Next, normal room temperature. Normal room temperature will be always 22 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit means 72 degree Fahrenheit. A hot day. Hot day. How we will say that it is today? It is very hot. You will say no. Hot means 30 degree Celsius. In Fahrenheit means 86 degree Fahrenheit. Today it is very sunny. You are saying no. 30 degree Celsius means it is very hot day. In summer you will come to know that. Next, normal body temperature. Our normal body temperature is always 37 degree Celsius. In Fahrenheit means 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. like that. High baking temperature, yeah, whenever you will cook, no, baking cakes and all, cookies, how they will make the baking means high baking temperature means 200 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit means 392 degree Fahrenheit. Like that you can come to know temperature. Day, how it is a temperature. Cool day means how normal room temperature. Hot day, normal body temperature. They'll ask more time. Sometimes they'll ask normal body temperature is dash, they'll ask like that, 37 degree Celsius. In Fahrenheit they'll ask means 98.6 degree Fahrenheit you have to write. Understood, children? Next, temperature in our world. See, accurate temperature measurement is critical across countless fields, from predicating the weather and cooking our food to ensuring our health and advancing scientific discovery. See, key takeaways. What you have learnt in this class means, what is a temperature? What is a temperature means temperature measures the hotness or coldness of an object. Whenever it is so hot, whenever it is so cold, then you will say temperature is rising or falling. You will say temperature measures hotness or coldness of an object. How it is measured, what they are using the measurement means using thermometer, primarily in Celsius and Fahrenheit. They will two types of temperature you can measure, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Key benchmarks means remember the freezing point of water. They'll ask in exam, freezing point of water means how much. Freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius. When the water will cools means ice will come, no, that is 0 degree Celsius means it will become ice, 32 degree Fahrenheit. And boiling point means when water will boils, no, so much, then it is say that 100 degree Celsius only the water boils. In Fahrenheit means 212 degree Fahrenheit. How to convert you have understood, no? Conversions of degree Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Use the formulas to translate between the two scales when needed. Next, test your understanding. Match the temperature on the left with a correct description on the right. Temperature they are given. You have to match them. 212 degree Fahrenheit means water boils. In degree Celsius means it is 100 degree Celsius. In Fahrenheit means 212 degree Fahrenheit. 37 degree Celsius means our human normal body temperature. Normal human body temperature is always 37 degree Celsius. 0 degree Celsius means it is a water freezes. When water freezes means it is a 0 degree Celsius. Understood, no, children?